Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Japan and Australia shares climbed Wednesday as China resorted to using another target stimulus measure for jump-starting its economy and as a meeting of the US Federal Reserve drew near. The Nikkei 225 and ASX 200 were each up 0.2% on reports that China's central bank is extending $81 billion to state-owned banks to counter a slowdown in the world's second-largest economy amid sluggish foreign direct investment and industrial output in August. Korea's Kospi gained 0.7%. Overnight, US stocks jumped on news China will stimulate its economy as well on the sentiments that the Federal Reserve will release a more dovish than expected policy statement on Wednesday. The Dow 30 rose 0.59%, the S&P 500 index rose 0.75%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index rose 0.75%. Overnight, the dollar edged lower against most major currencies in afternoon trading as investors backtracked on previous bets that the Federal Reserve's monetary policy statement due out Wednesday could contain hawkish language. The Australian dollar slumped on Wednesday after a disappointing survey on growth prospects and ahead of a key Federal Reserve monetary policy announcement later in the day. The New Zealand dollar fell furtherly after the current account deficit shrank from 2.7% of GDP to 2.5% for the year to June 2014, with a broader focus on the Federal Reserve. New Zealand dollar traded at 0.8176, down 0.28%. Australian dollar US dollar traded at 0.9072, down 0.25%, while US dollar Japanese yen changed hands at 107.26, up 0.14%. Wednesday is a busy day for economic news, including the monthly update on Britain's labour market. The main event today on the economic front arrives with the Federal Reserve, which releases a monetary statement and revises its economic forecast. UK claim and count change 8:30 GMT. The key numbers to focus on is the claim and count, which has been delivering consistently bullish signals for months. In fact, the last time that the number of new claimants didn't fall in the monthly comparison was October 2012. The positive momentum is expected to persist in today's update for August. The consensus forecast calls for a drop of 32,000 in claimants, or in line with the monthly decline so far this year. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.